people watch this video. Thus, I created this video for final exam assignment of my parents' language. My foreign language task is to make a presentation of the competition. Finding examples of competition between humans and nature. Finding in competitive, question why humans against nature. Identify all aspects of the competition. How does the competition like affect human life and not the nature sustainability? If the competition continues or culture, who will come out as the winner? Yes. Before I started this job in Argot, it's me introduce myself. My name is Hamunangan Sinaga. Student participation numbers 1506853 and my parent language class 2C at Atmajaya Yogyakarta University. Nature is a special living creation and God did not create human nature alone, but creates us a nature friend. We know that nature and man are one because man cannot live without nature, and nature will not flourish if no care for and user nature of man. Nice, nature will create a sense of comfort for humans, and that makes a nice nature is human and his core of human's life to nature and keep it well. If we destroy nature, our life will feel less good because there will be an expected disaster. Disaster will live. Nature is at this here and our earth. If nature make our earth will experience nature disaster such as flood, land rise, global warming, and water. But if we take care of nature, then all the disaster will not happen. And maybe we can live healthy for well, fresh food, nature and natural. Trees are still many, will produce lot and oxygen and fresh. But literally a lot of people went to fly nature. There are even people who want to consume nature, and my topic is the competition between humans and nature. Competition has been going on since the creation of man. We are go based on this still. There are two sides that cannot be combined. An example of the competition between man and nature is the destruction of forests. The destruction of natural creatures exists because if the forest is the make, then the sustainability of nature will disappear slow. Forest the make done by Humans can be done by burning the forest and cut down trees of the forest by illegal means. We now recently occurred in the last Arkansas forest fresh in 2015. Forest fire and hash hit most area in South Sumatra, Jambi, Riau, West Kalimantan, Central Kalimantan, and South Kalimantan. 2 years ago, lost down to the smoke with a calculate over the 3 months. From February to April, and my province, Riau reached 20 trillion rupiah. This is a video example of forest virus in Riau province. Many trees were burned and the smoke that continues more. The fire is done by humans, beings who are not responsible. The forest first that used to make the forest green of the trees, but now it does not exist. Then there is only barren soil is yellow brown and ash that remain in the soil. Forest fires occur because often people want to get land for free but do not care about the impact, and the forest spirits have to forest for industrial purpose. Man cutting down trees excessively for industrial purpose. For example, for the benefit of the paper making industry. Companies are willing to cut down trees excessively to meet growing consumer needs. Human behavior that is not restrained by forest destruction will affect other people and our planet. People want to know now anything will be affected by irresponsible human will add down. Behavior destruction of forest by humans is behavior that is not honorable for humans and the forest will need its another with its other. If humans continue to destroy forests, the impact of other natural disasters are going to occur in humans. For example, the impact natural disaster is going smoke that interferes with the human's respiratory tract is happening in Rio province yesterday. Oxygen level are dwindling due to smoke generation. Forest fires in Rio province caused no income. People dead and were caused by humans who are not responsible. Besides smoke, other natural disasters are water sources of contaminated and result in reduced water supply in the area. Due to lack in the water, the government must deliver clean water to the area so that the region is not short of water and greatest loss the state must be willing to spend much cost to extinguish news and the fire wheels are still burning in the forest. Not only that, state should reimburse crucial smoke to the neighboring countries like Singapore, Thailand, and other influence for action carried out by the forest fires on citizens who are not responsible. Human desires is selfish and result hope loss for the country and also natural disaster on people who do not know will be older. I think it is a stupid thing for me. Nature cannot be repelled by humans opponent or of human destroying nature because it will affect humans as well. Maybe not to person who committed in this destruction of human nature, but others as income. Nature of everything to man that treats nature's well that impacts him too, while in probably will have a distinct effect to himself and others. So the natural counsel is always to thrive over the competition with humans more natural because they are responsible for the earth and natural disaster do if we destroy nature. Only humans can capitalize upon nature and not a concern or conflicted with nature. Many explanation for me, and there are words the opened you a lesson for it. Thanks for watching this video and love our nature as you love yourself.